Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a Keto Feta Pasta. Guys, this is a simple one. It's very easy, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start off by presetting our oven to 425. And then we're going to get out some green onions. We're going to cut those down. Now guys, you can use regular onions. You can use shallots, whatever you like. Either do. Okay guys, let's get out a large pan. We're going to grease it with some olive oil. Then we're going to add in our green onions. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Once we have the garlic in, guys, we're going to cook it down. And once we got it cooked down, we're going to deglaze our pan. We're going to use a white wine. I use Pinot Grigio. This really brings the flavor out of the onions and the garlic, guys. So we're going to get us a little while so it can all reduce down. Okay, so while that's reducing, we're going to put out a baking dish and oil the bottom of it with some olive oil. And then we're going to throw in our tomatoes. So guys, we're going to use the tomatoes as a bed for our block of feta cheese. So I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Alright guys, now that we have everything set, let's go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top. Also guys, remember, all the exact amounts and ingredients, I will always have them linked in the description box below. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and season it. So I used Italian season, so just sprinkle some Italian season over the top. And our oven's been preheating, so let's go ahead and throw it in for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, let's move on to getting our pasta ready. So if you've been a fan of this channel at any time now, you already know palmini is the go-to for me, for supplements, for any type of pasta. Guys, I can't explain to you how this has changed the way I do keto, especially when it comes to pasta things. This is like the perfect replacement. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and boil some water and go ahead and throw in our palmini. Boil it down for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Also, I choose to use the angel here, but palmini makes like linguine style. They have a couple different styles. You don't have to use angel here. You can use the style that you like. Okay guys, once your tomatoes and feta has finished cooking in the oven, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just the feta. We're gonna take the feta and we're gonna blend it down. What we're trying to do is we wanna turn it into more of a paste so it don't be in chunks while it's inside the dish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just the feta and we're gonna put it in a blender and we're gonna blend it down until it's like a smooth paste. But also we wanna use a little bit of the water from the palmini. Let's use a little bit of that water to give it a more of a soupy feel. Because without the water, it'd just be so thick to where it won't spread. So let's do that. All right, now it's time to start bringing everything together, guys. We're gonna add in our tomato, our pasta, and our feta. Guys, once everything was mixed together, this is what it looked like. that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you've been liking the content I've been putting out. Guys, I have a lot more recipes coming your way that I know you're going to enjoy. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.